Okay, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023. This is a CT4-V Blackwing, but it's got the carbon fiber spoiler on it. All right, there's the spoiler there. This is the extra spoiler. The regular CT4-V Blackwing does not have this additional spoiler right here. So this carbon fiber spoiler is gonna require spacers and different screws. So these are the two screws that you're going to take out, and you can see they're recessed a little bit, so that's why we're going to need spacers. All right, so you're going to need a Torx 15 to take out the factory screws, and because those are we need spacers to fill that recessed area, we're going to need longer screws. So you'll need a 7mm socket to put in. We're going to put in 4.2 by 35s. So you're going to want to put the screw through the base plate and then put the spacer on top of that, and then get the first one started, and then get your other screw and repeat the process. Go through the base plate and then put the spacer on top of that, top of the back of the base plate there. And then once you get them started, then you can tighten them down with that 7mm socket. Yep, tighten it down and make sure they're secure. And then you're going to take your front plate and you're going to find the pull pin on the right side, align the rods, slide it in until it clicks, and there you go. So this is the fitment for the CT4-V Blackwing with the carbon fiber spoiler. There's the front of it. That's where your license plate will go on there.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.